myself longing for your touch. Your laughter echoes through my soul, a melody that I can't get enough. Through fields of green and skies so blue, I'll walk beside you hand in hand. Your eyes, they hold the stars at night, guiding me through this wonderland. I wanna stay with you in every sunrise and every sunset. I wanna hold you close where our dreams are met. Through laughter and tears, we'll weather the storm, for in your arms I find my home. Through whispers and vows, our love transforms into a tale that's uniquely our own. With every heartbeat, you're my song, a symphony that never fades. In the rhythm of our dance, we belong, together through life's serenades. Through stormy seas and mountain highs, our love will stand unyielding true. In the silence of our shared sighs, I find eternity within you. In the quiet of the morning light, I find myself longing for your touch. Your laughter echoes through my soul, a melody that I can't get enough. Through fields of green and skies so blue, I'll walk beside you hand in hand. Your eyes, they hold the stars at night, guiding me through this wonderland. Through laughter and tears, we'll weather the storm, for in your arms I find my home. Through whispers and vows, our love transforms into a tale that's uniquely our own. I wanna stay with you in every laughter and every tear. Ooh. I wanna be your anchor when the world feels unclear. So here's my vow, my love so true. In every heartbeat I will stay with you, through every joy and every